So now that it's nighttime and we don't have the luxury of the sun coming into a window, we have to fake that window, that sunlight in a window. And I'm doing that here in a hallway where I have opened up one of the rooms and I'm just letting the light spill in. But it's still not enough light for the camera to be happy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in and add some more light. So that helped a lot. So right now the lighting is somewhere between dramatic and soft. It really sort of lives in a no man's land. If I wanted to make it more dramatic, I wanted to deepen the shadows on the left. Because light is bouncing off the white wall and filling in the shadows, I would have to put something dark to make sure light does not bounce off the walls. Now, if I want this to soften up even more, I can use a piece of diffusion cloth. They used to call it silk because that's what it was. Now it's all polyester. You could use a bed sheet, but that's thicker and you'd have to push more light through it. Let me move this into place. And now the light is really soft. It's such a soft light that there's barely any shadow on the left, but you can still get a sense that there is light coming from the right and the shadow side is on the left. So if it were not for what this empty hallway looked like, then this would be kind of a pretty shot. Let's see if we can get close. Yeah, that would be a nice shot. So I've taken the diffusion away again, and I'm going to make the shadows really dramatic. Light is coming from this side, hitting the white wall, and filling in the shadow a little bit. So what I need to do is make sure that when light hits this wall, it's absorbed. So I need to put something black there. See how that absorbs the light and makes for drama? Now, if the background were darker, that would be a really dramatic, beautiful portrait. Let's make the background darker. I happen to have paper. Most people don't. But if you have any kind of darker drop cloth or sheet or whatever, it will work. And of course, all of the same principles that we went over with shooting using window light apply here. We can move the model, we can move the camera, and get different effects.